Hey. Yeah. My name is Ashley.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Miss Daisy.
Exquisite.
Got me going jeans cause I'm cool with for the speed.
Tall and tan and young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, each one she passes
Thank goodness I didn't erase this one. This was my favorite edit out of all of them that I had made because I like the way my face looks. It looks very authentic fart face. What the fuck?
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and get back in the saddle. You're on the front, everyone's watching.
Damn, girl, you fart with that ass?
Nice.
Sometimes when you have to fart, do you ever like spread your butt cheeks so that it comes out like instead of like a fart noise?
No.
Me neither. I don't.
Okay.
I'm a bad girl. I'm the kind of girl you don't want to take home to your mom. Fuck that tree. If your mom makes me dinner, I'm not even gonna eat it because I don't like the way it tastes. I'm so bad. If I want to drink till I'm passed out, consider me passed out. Fuck that apple. I have to fart, I just fart. I'm a bad girl. Trust me, you do not want to take me home to your mom.
I just farted. I just farted. I'm at work. Oh my god. I thought it was a fart. Oh my god. Oh my god, what do I do? Do I go back? Do I go back into work? Stephanie. Stephanie, come here. Hurry, hurry, come here. Hurry. Hurry. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell just happened?
Publicity. No, he was right under it.
Just sing this song, so wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse.
You're sick. Even waiting, let it go. Oh, dang it! Again. Ow, my foot. Again, it was a little again.
let's go hit some back, shall we? We shall.